Hello friend, today we are discuss the important topic of Niti Aayog. First, the Niti Aayog. Niti stands for the National Institution for Transforming India. The Niti Aayog is a think tank of the Government of India, established on 1st January 2015 as a replacement for the planning commission to give suggestion to the government at the central and state levels with relevant strategic directional and technical advice across the spectrum of key elements policy development process. In Niti Aayog, the Prime Minister of India heads the Aayog as the ex officio chairman. The comparison between the Niti Aayog and planning commissions. In Niti Aayog, it serves an advisory think tank policies. In planning commission, it serves as an extra constitutional body. In Niti Aayog, it draws membership from a wider expertise. But in planning commission, it had limited expertise. In Niti Aayog, it serves in spirit of cooperative federalism as the states are equal partners. But in Planning Commission, states participated as a spectators in annual plan meeting only. In Niti Aayog, the secretaries to be known as a CEO appointed by Prime Minister. In Planning Commission, secretaries were appointed through usual process. The focus in Niti Aayog upon the bottom-up approach of plannings. In Planning Commission, focus on the top-down approach. In Niti Aayog does not possesses mandate to impose policy. In the Planning Commission, impose the policy on states and tied allocation of funds with projects its approve. In Niti Aayog does not have powers to allocate funds which are vested in finance minister. But in a planning commission, it had powers to allocate funds to ministries and state government. These are the comparison between the Niti Aayog and planning commissions. Then the structure of Niti Aayogs. The chairman of Niti Aayog is the Prime Minister of India. The vice chair is to be nominated or to be appointed by the Prime Ministers. The governing council is includes the chief minister of all the states and the lieutenant governments of union territories. And the regional council to address specific regional issues comprising chief ministers and lieutenant governors chaired by prime minister or his nominees. In ad hoc memberships, 2 members in ex officio capacity from leading research institution on rotational basis. Then the ex officio memberships, maximum 4 from Union Council of Ministers to be nominated by Prime Minister. Then the Chief Executive Officer appointed by the Prime Minister for a fixed tenure in a rank of Secretary to Government of India. Then also include in the special invitees like the experts, specialists with domain knowledge nominated by Prime Minister. These are the structure of the Niti Aayog. Then the objectives of the Niti Aayog. To evolve a shared vision of national development priorities, sectors and strategies with the active involvement of states. And then the objective of the foster cooperative federalization through structure support initiative and mechanisms within the states on continuous basis. To develop mechanism to formulate credible plans at the village level and aggregate these progressively at higher level of the governments. To design the strategic and long-term policies and program the framework and initiative and monitor their progress and their efficacy. These are the objectives of the Niti Aayog. Then the functions of the Niti Aayog. The first function is foster cooperative federalism, means to work with the state governments on national development priority sector and strategies. Develop federalism where the national and state government works with proper coordinations and harmonies. Implement the scheme and initiative for the rural developments. Then ensure the economic strategy and policy work in the interest of the national security. Then the monitoring and evaluations. Then the act as a resource center and knowledge hubs, means then the design policy and program frameworks. The various implement the schemes and initiative in rural developments, then ensure that the economic strategy and policy work in the interest of national security, then the advise and encourage partnerships between the key stakeholders and national and international like-minded think tank as well as educational and policies research institutions. Then the create a knowledge, innovation and entrepreneurial support systems with the help of national and international expert, practitioners and other partners. The objective then they maintain a state of the art resource centers, be research center on a good governance practices in sustainable and equitable development. Then the functions of the Niti Aayog to advise National Institute of Labor's research and developments. Another functions is the successor in interest to the planning commissions. Then the actively monitor and evaluate the implementation of programs and initiative and to focus on technology upgradation and capacity building for the same. And then in Niti Aayog, a new initiative by the Niti Aayog, mainly even since its inception, the institution has taken a series of initiatives aimed at giving a push to the economy and making lives on every citizen of the country better. After replacing the 5-year plans on 31st March 2017, the Niti Aayog is the process of preparing a vision document for the coming 15 years, keeping in the line with social goals set for the end of these 15 years. Like the initiative like the model land leasing laws, in take note the increasing incidence on leasing in and out of the lands and sub-optional use of the less number of cultivators. Niti Aayog was formulated the Model Agriculture Land Leasing Act 2016 to both recognize the rights of the tenants and safeguards interests of landowners. Then the reforms of Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee Act, then reforms of Agriculture Produce Committee Act states on 21st October in 2016, then reforming medical educations, then the digital payments movements, then the Atal Innovation Missions, then task force on elimination of poverty in India, then task force on agriculture developments. These are the initiatives through the Niti Aayog in India. Thank you.